We're all trying our best to reduce plastic, but it's challenging, right? Sometimes it's really hard to find alternatives. Take drinking straws. In Australia, we use more than 10 million plastic straws every single day. Did you know it was a straight line between Adelaide and Perth every single day? Straws are so thin they fall between the gaps of recycling machines and end up on the ground and in the oceans. Hi, I'm Marianne and I'm the co-founder of Mr. RYE, a new organic, plant-based and biodegradable drinking straw. Partnering with Australian organic farmers, we are using a byproduct of their crops to replace plastic products. Let's go meet our farmer! This is Josh, this is Perry, and this is their family. We're so proud to work with people who share our values of integrity, hard work and sustainability. Their farm has been growing organic cereal rye for more than 20 years. They have a complete zero-waste lifestyle and they consume only what they produce. When we introduced our project, they offered to help straight away. Together, we don't sow rye just to create straws. Josh and Perry sow rye to harvest grains, and we collect and clean the straws with natural processes. Here is our byproduct. With my co-founder Alexi, we traveled 40,000 kilometers around Australia to get to Mr. RYE. From the tropical north to the pristine waters of the Eyre Peninsula, we couldn't name a single beach that was not polluted by plastic. That's when we set out to find a better straw. We were lucky enough to meet up with Dr. Kat Cooper, researcher and plant breeder at the University of Adelaide. With her help and her 30 years experience, we discovered that rye is the most suitable plant to replace plastic straws. It works well for any drinks, is completely biodegradable and even reusable. I put mine in the dishwasher.
It feels like it won't get soggy, which I like.
It works like a straw, which is sick.
Yeah.
That's a win. Zero taste.
I like it.
Our generation of consumers cares where products come from. Mr. RYE works only with local partners, reusing raw material that would be waste while having the lowest carbon footprint possible. The truth is, plastic is everywhere, and it doesn't disappear. But together, we can fix this urgent waste crisis now. Thank you for your support.